Hello friends, how are you? I hope all you are very much happy. Today we are going to see new lesson, that is unit 3.2, means a lesson in life from a beggar. Actually it is not a simple lesson, it is a story. And the story of a beggar, really telling this, this is very heart touching and lovable story which teaches us lot of lessons, means moral lessons for our life. It is written by Sudha Murthy. Step by step we will get more information about this. So before starting this story, it is better for us to see chit chat first. I would like to say you have also to open your textbook on page number 3092. See that here, first chit chat. Here first they told that make small groups and share. Here means it is a grouping work, but today it is not possible. You have to prepare your own self that. See here, first point, a piece of advice that stopped a bad habit in you. Here, what that? First, already they have given instruction make small groups and share. Share means you have to share your own experience or ideas with your friends. The next 4 points. According to these 4 points, you have to share your imaginations or experiences with your friends. First, what that situation? A piece of advice that stopped a bad habit in you. That a piece of advice in our life. Many people we across this. For example, that in our family, our mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, I means all our family members, plus our neighboring people also, means everybody that here, all they try to give us some suggestions, some advices, and some advices are for a little while, but some other that year among of them, some advices are changeable for our whole life. Some advices are responsible for changing our bad habit in our life. It may be that here everybody's experience or imagination, it may be different. You have to share yourself. Second is here a quote or that proverb that you love to use often. Means here a proverb of that sentence or quote that which is a simple sentence, but it is full with meaning, and that meaning is very useful for our life. So that is explained here, means which is that which is lovable sentence for you, that they want that. And that means I am telling here that be positive, plus that here a life is beautiful, enjoy it, plus that again don't worry, be happy. In this way you have also, you have to suggest such quotations to your friends, that is very useful to other people also. Next is their third, an experience that taught you a lifelong lesson. In everybody's life, they have to face many situations, many experiences, but all experiences or situations are not simple. Some situations or incidents were very much teaching us something which is useful for our total life. Let's take an example of that, an accident. If you are eyewitness of that accident, then that accident, by seeing that accident, that you understood that that you do not made this mistake in your life. Means you learned something from that incident, so that what here next time you will take precaution or you will take care of to avoid such mistakes. Means in this way, in everybody's life maybe that such experiences which are teaching you a lifelong lessons. Next that here is that fourth one, that is last, a story, news, episode, movie, play. Even here I am adding here book that has impressed and changed you. For telling that here a story of many stories are there, many moral stories also there, even news, many news are also there, episodes of that year serials or any there. Then next that year movie also, many changeable there. Then play means that year the dramas or any others there. And again I am adding here book also. There are many people are there that their stories are also can that change our life. Means we can get some moral, some lessons from these stories or news or movies or from plays also. Let's take an example of our Indian former late president Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam's life means he born in a very simple and poor family, but because of his that guts of education that he learned and he struggled in his life, and he became the president of our India. Means in this way, from the life story of APJ Abdul Kalam ji, that we can get many lessons. Means his life story is also that teaches us lot of things. The same also I am adding here. In America there is another scientist. Even in America there is another scientist that his name was that year George Washington Carver. Really telling, he was a Negro person, and in his life also he was the son of a slave, and he also in his life since his birth he had faced many difficulties, plus that what year he struggled in his life for great success and for education. Really telling that here I am also appealing to you, you have also to read these two books. That first means Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's Agni Pank, and second I am telling George Washington Carver's life story, that is Vina Gawankar's written that year. Means in Marathi that means its name is Ek Hota Carver. These two books are really inspirable books to us. So I am requesting you and appealing you to read these two books. This is that here chit chat. Now let's turn to the next about the writeress of this story. Writeress of this story means Sudha Murthy, and Sudha Murthy means she is not a simple woman. She was that what here a founder member of the world famous company that is Infosys. In IT field it is world famous, and it has given that many jobs to many people, and really telling it is the number one that company in our India. The same that what here she is that here writeress, plus what she is a social worker also. She has traveled all over our India, and in her journey she has met many people, and she had discussed with them And while discussing that, she had got lot of experiences, and whatever that she had came across with many people and means many characters, their experiences she had turned into lovable and heart touching stories. That today's that story means this is the one of them is there, and all those stories are teaching us some moral things. The today's story means today's story means what? That a lesson in life, a lesson in life from a beggar. In this story, there are three main characters are there. That one means our writeress Sudhamurti. Second means Meena, means writeress, means Sudhamurti's friend. And third means an old beggar and his that granddaughter. That Sudhamurti's friend Meena, she was a clerk, means she was an officer in LIC office, and she had a good salary also. She was living in a luxurious flat. Her flat was full with all equipments, means all that facility was there in her flat, means her life was very much happy life. And opposite that means what here, after that apartment a road was there, and opposite of that roadside there was a little hut, and in that hut a beggar was living. An old beggar was living with his granddaughter. Here are two pictures are there. Very wealthy officer means Meena. She was living in that flat which is full with facilities. And another side picture of that what? A simple little hut of that old beggars, and he was living with his granddaughter. But beggar was very much happy. He was always happy with his life. But here Meena was always sad, always nervous. She always tried to find some problems in every situations. But this attitude totally changed because of only this beggar. How did she change her life? That is, we are going to see this story. So, next part we will see the story.